Dragon Nation. Today I'll be making Asta's 3 swords from black clover, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to start with is the basic layout of the sword and get its dimensions right. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a rough cut of the sword. I'm not going to do it too detailed because that's a lot of work when the cardboard is really thick. So yeah. Alright, so now I just refined the sword, and this is how it looks like. Ooh, look at my balancing skills. Look, oh, I'm so nasty with one finger. Don't mind that, don't mind that. Alright, I'm gonna draw the other part of the blade, but it's so tiring. So much work, it's gonna take forever. Wait, I know, I have magic. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna make the other blade with just one hit. Perfect. Alright, so now I just attach the metal pole, and wait, it's not actually on, but I'll attach it, don't worry. And this is how it will look like when both pieces are attached to the metal pole. And now I just attach the two pieces of the blade together. This is how it looks like. Boom. And now I got the pole attached to the pieces of the blade, and now I have the common shape of the sword. This is how it looks like from bird's eye view, and yeah, hope you guys like it so far. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is adding some details to the handle, that it's an Asta's sword. I can pull up a picture right here, and yeah. And now the piece is attached to the handle, and this is how it looks. Now I'm just making the guard of the sword, and I'm gonna attach it to the sword. Alright, so now it's attached, and this is how it looks like. Alright, so now I'm gonna make the pommel of the sword, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically a part at the bottom of the handle, like what I'm showing right now. And yeah, the more you know. Another bird's eye view on how the sword is looking like right now. And hope you guys like it so far. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, it's kind of hard to explain, but I'm basically getting the shape of the sword and doing half of it and making it a bit smaller so I can place it on top of the blade, and then I'm gonna put paper along the sides to give it a bladed look. You'll see what I'm saying. basically what's happening now is that I put the paper around the edge, and I hope you understand what I was trying to say before. And now I painted it white, so it's an easier canvas to paint on, so the color pops out more when I put it on it. And now it's time to paint. Alright, so here I made the gray a bit too dark, so I later go over it with a lighter gray. But honestly, it did add to more of the like rusty effect Asta's sword already has. So I guess it was a blessing in disguise. So while I was painting the black spots here, I was freehanding it, but I ended up not liking some spots, so I later edited it, make it look a bit better. And the next time I did it on the other side, I actually planned it and drew it instead of just freehanding it. And yeah. And the other side is already looking better because I planned it out. Alright, so now I'm working on the handle, and this is how it looks like so far. I need the black paint to it, and if you didn't notice, I've actually upgraded the handle. Basically what I did was get 2 pieces of cardboard and put them to a point, kind of like what I did with the blade, and that's pretty much it. Do you guys like it? Alright, so I'm about to show off the sword after I'm done painting here. And yeah, be sure to burn the like, subscribe, and enjoy the showcase.